Yo, what's poppin' family? Welcome back to another one. It's currently like 10:37 Pacific time. Done trading for the day. And in this episode, it's gonna be the first part of my True Forex Funds challenge. I'm gonna take you guys through the ups and downs of trying to pass a 50K challenge with them. I started it today, and this video is really inspired by a trader. He goes by the name of Imperfect Trader. On his channel, go check him out. It's like a 3-hour documentary. He goes through the ups and downs, the fucking emotions of breaking the rules, and then the highs and lows, you know, great trades, bad trades. And it really just inspired me to make kind of like a video series like that, except I'm not gonna make it into a 3-hour documentary. I'm gonna break it up, you know, into the trades, and we'll see how it goes. So go check him out, go give him a subscribe. He's a hustler, you know what I mean? So that's really where this idea came from. Not only that, but Apex Trader Funding is kind of tripping right now with fucking giving 80% off sales every fucking week, and then extending it 3 days, and then extending it another week. It's cool because everyone gets to try, you know what I mean? That's what got me into Apex Trader Funding. But like at the same time, it's kind of suspect considering it's a business and you have 0 people paying, you know, even half price or full price. So it's kind of watering down the product a little bit for me. I still have my accounts. I'm still going to be trying to get paid from them, but if they're going through any sort of trouble or anything like that, I definitely want to diversify. So that's another reason why I'm going to go through this series with you guys. So I went with True Forex Funds, and after this intro, I'm going to get into pretty much, I recorded all of the trades I took so far. Sometimes there's some commentary in there. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. As far as this first video, I'm really trying to figure out how I want to do the layout and how I want to do the recording flow and stuff like that, if I want to do voiceovers. This is the first one, kind of like a pilot episode, you know how I usually do it, but that's pretty much what's going to happen. I've taken 4 trades already. At the end of the video, I'll show you guys the summary of where the account's at, and pretty much hope you guys enjoy this series. Y'all take it easy, leave some comments down below, and until the next one, see ya. Gonna hit you with a little voiceover action, and I'm still trying to get used to this and trying to figure out how I really want to, you know, go over these trades as we go along. It's kind of hard to show you guys anything on this trash MT5, but pretty much for this first trade, my thesis and plan really was a nice little turtle soup. If we go back to the other time frame, you know, obviously this video is playing back in hindsight, but if you look to the left there's the short-term highs, and then there's the prior day high. I was looking for a sweep of liquidity of the short-term high and a little retracement back down into, I think there's an order block down there. I can't really see it right now, but this is me trying to chart on MT5, and it's horrible. I will not be doing that anymore. But as you'll see in this trade, I had the right idea, but it just did not pan out this time. I don't think the timing was right, so I wasn't in a kill zone. I was between Asia and London, and then in London we actually swept prior day's high, and that's when the turtle soup occurred. So that's really what went down on this trade, and it's on to the next. Appreciate it. Yo, on to the second trade for this account. And as you can see on the screen, I was going for a nice little OTE entry. This trade ended up not working out, as you'll see in like a minute or so. Really, I was just kind of antsy, just wanted to trade. You'll hear me mention, I think on the next clip, that I just wanted to get my feet wet as far as trading Forex again. But, you know, if you've been studying any of ICT concepts, you can't just take any order block. You can't just take any OTE entry. A lot of things have to line up here, and this trade was lacking a few things, including higher time frame bias. So really just wanted to pull the trigger, see what I could get used to MT5. Really not an excuse to be blowing, you know, some of the capital like that, but you know, there's no trailing drawdown, which is so much easier than fucking Apex Trader Funding. But you know, just getting my feet wet ended up not working out. And you see here, I adjusted the screen layout, so maybe it'll be a little bit easier to watch. So there's that trade. What's poppin', family? Another voiceover. You'll see here that my camera pops up every now and again, and I was actually giving some commentary, but on my OBS, I forgot to enable the mic. So anything I was saying on there actually did not get recorded. So there's no soundtrack for this clip. But pretty much my bias higher time frame on Aussie dollar was bearish. I saw a retracement into a higher time frame order block, and I liked the reaction off of it, the way it looked on the higher time frame as well. So I took a little short. I kind of choked the trade and put my stop loss a little too tight, and that's something that I can do now, which is widen my stop without a trailing drawdown on true Forex funds. So this won't be happening to me as much or as often, but I did get stopped out of this trade, and you'll see in the next trade that when you have high conviction, you can allow yourself to re-enter a trade. So see you in the next trade. All right, family, we gonna try again. Same premise, same bias. This is likely the last trade for this account today, as well as for the week. I got a haircut in a couple hours, but I'm not gonna sit around here and watch this one. So I'm gonna let this record and I'll add this to the video. So I'll see you then. I have my stop loss about 10 pips, 11 pips above, and I'm just going for a 1 to 2. I do expect these lows to be taken out. I don't think that the timing of this is optimal, but I still like the play and I like the higher time frame narrative. So, and that's about it. So I'll be back and I'll try to cut the video. All right, so I'm gonna let this one play out, but I'm just getting my feet wet here, and I'm not keeping myself to any one strategy on this challenge. Let's really put my money where my mouth is, see if I could read the charts, see if I could read some candles, and see what I could do. So appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna take this fucking camera off now. Yo, what's poppin', family? Just checking back on the trade. It's looking pretty nice. I expect some retracement here. I would prefer if it just goes straight to my profit target. But I've moved my stop up, so no matter what, I'm in profit. I mean, I guess since I don't have trailing drawdown, I don't really need to do that. But maybe I'll put it to break even, and we're just gonna let it play out. The only resistance I see left is possibly, I mean, I don't know, potential M15 order block, but I really think we're locked into these lows right here, or even these lows as far as liquidity. So can expect a retracement. Let's check something real quick. As far as OTE, we did just come back down into a discount. So it's just about trusting my higher time frame bias. Obviously the past couple of days we've been going up, but I think overall it's bearish, which is what got me in this trade. So we'll see. We'll see if it starts hovering around here and fucking, you know, not drifting lower anymore. I may just close it. Right now we're up a nice 725, or I'll just keep it for the 2 to 1. I don't want to be a dick for a tick, you know what I mean? We're pretty fucking close to our profit target. So we'll see. Right now, what is that? 1.5 reward, but let's just give it some time. We don't want to overmanage the trade. It's going in our direction. So let's just, keep calm, cool, and collect. You know what I mean? So I'll be back. There it is. Our first successful fucking trade on this True Forex Funds little challenge I'm getting into. Only took an hour. I got stopped out, put my stop a little bit tight on the first one, but I was pretty confident in the play. Widened my stop loss, didn't look like I needed to on this try. Pretty happy that this one worked out. I was debating if I was gonna move it lower. We gotta practice our good rule, risk management, not moving our stops until it's logical to do so. Not moving our take profits, always having our take profits in logical spots. In case this was going to provide some support, I had my take profit just above, the mean threshold right here. This isn't really a valid order block in my eyes. Nice trade. Very happy with it. I'm glad I fucking finally got a winning trade. The first three, I was just trying to get my feet wet again, fucking with the Forex. Kind of just wanted to get the jitters out, and just get into the challenge. Hopefully we could be a little bit more disciplined. I'm trying to I'll do the risk management video later, but that's trade number 4, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And there it is, family. These are the results from my first day on this True Forex Funds challenge account. And as we move forward, we're gonna try and practice a little bit more discipline now that we've gotten our feet wet. And we'll go through that in another video, but overall happy with my performance. Y'all take it easy. Till the next one, see ya.